Well, hi there. Warm welcome. You're watching a Blueprint Exclusive, and I'm Meghna Dekar. Well, viewers, is Bollywood becoming a sitting duck when it comes to Rajniti? Well, we ask you this because of the massive political storm that we have seen over films, be it Kashmir Files, Kerala Files, or Sabarmati Files. Because remember, in the latest storm, there is the latest casualty as well of this massive trolling and harassment allegedly. Because one of the best known actors for when it comes to the Sabarmati report, actor Vikrant Massey today has made a very cryptic announcement on a social media post, deciding to leave active and saying that he is going to recalibrate. In fact, in a post, the actor, who has now faced trolling and harassment for his latest film, The Sabarmati Files, has said that it is time to go back to focus on his roles as a husband, as a father, and as a son. Now, this announcement by the actor, who was delivering back-to-back hits and has also garnered critical acclaim for his work, has taken his fans by surprise. Why quit when he is on a high of his career? In fact, Vikrant Massey has not really mentioned any specific reason for this decision to step away from active. Many on social media now feel that perhaps trolling, the harassment of the actor as well as his family, something that he has alluded to, is the reason perhaps for his decision to quit cinema. In fact, the focus has now shifted to an old comment of the actor after his film came out, and you can see what he had said earlier in an interview. He had expressed concern over online threats he received, and he said that he was worried about the safety of his 9-month-old baby. So as the actor's announcement took millions by surprise, the film was watched by Prime Minister Modi himself, along with ministers and the Speaker of Lok Sabha as well. In fact, ministers as well as others enjoyed the movie, and the opposition, on the other hand, quipped once again, saying that the government has misplaced priorities for promoting this film, which in the past too has been tagged as a propaganda film by the opposition. Watch what the opposition said today when Prime Minister Modi watched the film.
Instead of, the hours that he's watching this movie, Sabarmati Report, should have been in the parliamentary working hours. These are parliamentary working hours. These are business hours of the parliament. So without caring about the parliament not functioning for him to watch a movie which has been made tax-free across the states where BJP governs, all the chief ministers have been mandated to, ensure there's a screening that takes place. And now the Prime Minister and the entire cabinet is sitting and watching a movie. What does it speak of his priorities of governance?
मोदी साहब अपने सहूलियत की राजनीति करते हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जहां फ़ायदा होता है उसको राजनीति करना बहुत पसंद होती है, लेकिन हम आदरणीय मोदी जी से कहना चाहेंगे कि बहुत साल पहले एक पिक्चर आई थी, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान। आज भारत देश को रोटी कपड़ा और मकान चाहिए। क्या ये मूवी भी मोदी जी आपने देखी है? ये अपने सांसदों को दिखाएंगे, अपने विधायकों को दिखाएंगे? क्योंकि देश कहाँ ले जाना चाहते हैं मोदी साहब आप?
Well, in fact, let's pull up on the screens as to what really was said by Vikrant Massey and as he announced his retirement today. He said that the last few years and beyond have been phenomenal. I realize it is time to recalibrate and to go back home as a husband, a father and a son, and also as an actor. Now, this is the post that he put out. He said, so coming 2025, we would meet for one last time. Thank you again for everything and everything in between. So what does it really mean when he says that we'll see you one last time in 2025? Let me go across to Manvi Taneja, who's joining us, an actress. Also joining us on the show, we have Ravi Rai, a filmmaker and a television writer, producer and a director. Well, Manvi, I'm going to come to you first. We've seen a bit of a pattern now emerging. When it started with Kashmir Files, then there were Kerala Files, then there were Sabarmati Files, where actors, producers, directors, they were the ones who were targeted, they were trolled by massive troll armies. Do you think that today, Vikrant Massey taking this kind of a step could be a result of that, of being trolled, of being harassed, for him fearing for the safety of his child, of his baby that he had expressed a short time back?
Absolutely. See, somewhere I believe that it is a reaction of all the negative response which he is receiving from his audience and his fans. If you talk about Vikrant Massey, he has struggled a lot to achieve something. I have been looking after, I've been watching his films since many years, but it's been a long struggle for him. He actually proved himself towards his fans. And it took him very long to reach such a point wherein people started liking him. And I still remember he gained his popularity from 12th Fail. 12th Fail में he has a one dialogue जिसमें उसने बोला है कि सरकार कहीं नहीं चाहती कि जो देहाती लोग हैं वो पढ़ें, क्योंकि सरकार को लगता है कि अगर वो लोग पढ़ गए तो उनका कहीं ना कहीं वोट बैंक हिल जाएगा. So this particular dialogue really touched his fans' heart. And रातों रात जो पॉपुलैरिटी होती है ना, just because of this dialogue, उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत बढ़ गई. विक्रांत was liked by everyone because what he has shown in that movie was real. And somewhere down the line, जो पिक्चरें हैं वो समाज का आईना है, तो पिक्चरें जो समाज में हो रहा है पिक्चरें वो बनती है, तो people like it. Going from 12th Fail to Sabarmati Report, which is a totally propaganda film, has disheartened his fans. And he started receiving negative comments from his fans. He started receiving negative views from his fans. So somewhere down the line,
Taneja, isn't it an actor's prerogative? What kind of a movie he wants to do? What kind of a script he wants to do? Why should it be tagged propaganda? It is, after all, the artist's freedom to pick whatever project that he wants. What's wrong in it?
See, Bollywood is now divided into two parts. One, Bollywood is totally for the entertainment, which shows pictures like entertainment purpose ke liye. And second, it is political Bollywood. As you rightly said, the movies like Kerala Files, Kerala Story, Kashmir Files, and now Sabarmati Report. If you want to get Sabarmati Report released, so why there was a problem on BBC documentary? ऐसा कुछ अगर आप दिखाना चाहते थे तो
मगर ऐसे तो बड़े सारे दूसरे भी ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स थे which were from the other side of the ideological divide जो बैन किए गए थे. रवि राय, is that not true that Hindu Sarkar also faced a lot of opposition? So be it this side of the political divide or that side, censorship होनी क्यों चाहिए?
नहीं, my point there with Mansi is the moment she began, the very first line I understood where she's coming from and where she's going. Okay, now she's very clear. अगर if she says political, क्या बॉलीवुड में एंटी गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटिशियंस नहीं है? बहुत सारे हैं जो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट के अगेंस्ट बोलते हैं. लेकिन ये डिबेट वो है नहीं. ये डिबेट विक्रांत मासी की रिटायरमेंट की है ना? ये वो वाली डिबेट कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, नाउ इफ यू से पीपल वर टारगेटेड, मेघना, do you think Vivek Agnihotri was not targeted? Kangana was not targeted? I mean, they all were. तो क्या सबने रिटायरमेंट ले ली क्या? I mean, what kind of justification is this कि उसको टारगेट किया तो वो अब छोड़ के जा रहा है? And when Mansi says कि सिनेमा तो सोसाइटी का शीशा है, तो why is not Sabarmati a शीशा?
So why there was a problem on BBC documentary? उसको भी रिलीज होने देते. You had a problem with BBC documentary. As I said,
Mansi,
that
देखो,
Bollywood is divided into two parts.
Manvi, we'll just come to you. Ravi Raiji, finish your point. Manvi, we'll just come to you.
And my point, I'm just taking this point. Very simple, Meghna, कि an actor in the morning, you read, he says, I'm going to concentrate on my family, my wife, my child, as a husband, as a father. You end it there. I mean, it's nothing beyond it. We never question. देखो, सबसे बड़ी चीज तो मुझे लगती है, अगर रिटायर करना भी है, तो भैया बोल क्यों रहे हो? अनुष्का शर्मा है ना, वो नहीं कर रही पिक्चर. वो नहीं कर रही पिक्चर.
स्टेटमेंट था क्या? मानवी तनेजा, दैट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट दैट ही हैज मेड. Whether वो कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे, वो स्टेटमेंट क्यों आया है? मानवी,
I think it's a way of apologizing from his fans, because whatever Vikrant Messi is right now is because of his fans. He started his career from TV industry and he struggled.
But why apologize? Why do you use that word apologize?
Because Sabarmati
he said thank you
propaganda. No, see, movies like Kerala Story, Kashmir Files, Sabarmati Report, coming on the way is Emergency. these all pictures are a propaganda films and people don't like the
मतलब
actors.
आपको जो अच्छी नहीं लगी, that is a propaganda. Anything that you liked of Vikrant Massey earlier was not propaganda.
No.
कौन decide करेगा what is propaganda?
You need to show the facts. No, I'll tell you. You need to show the facts. If you want to show about that Godhra Kand, then BBC was about to release the documentary in 2023. You did not let them release it. वो आने देते ना सामने.
But Manvi Taneja, many would say Supreme Court भी देख लीजिए. Instead of looking at BBC, look at what Supreme Court's verdict has been on Godhra files. That has been very decisive.
I'll tell you one thing. Picture did not do well at the box office. This Sabarmati Files. If you talk about Kerala Story, it was also a big flop at the box office. Nobody went to watch that movie.
What are you talking? Kerala.
It actually wasn't.
Listen to me. Let me also complete.
Okay, finish your point, Manvi.
BJP के जो लोग थे, they were distributing free tickets to everyone, and still the halls were empty, the theaters were empty. Nobody wanted to watch the film. You forced people to watch the film. You were like,
force कैसे करते हैं ये? Ravi Rai, Ravi Rai, she's made an interesting point. If you decide that everything is a mirror of the society, why selectively ban some films and documentaries?
Know what she's talking about. अभी कह रही है लोगों को, और जो पिक्चर नहीं अच्छी लगती नहीं जाते. तो Kashmir Files, how did Kashmir File cross 418 crores?
That movie did do very well, but I think her larger point is that free tickets बांटे जा रहे थे, or maybe she's talking about the surround sound. I believe.
तो बड़े Bollywood stars के भी बांटे जाते हैं. फिर there is a lobby that works to make a film.
Free tickets on national level, and you asking everyone to go.
Ma'am,
every shop, the free tickets.
एक second. Meghna, let's get this debate clear. It's not about BJP bashing or establishment bashing. We are talking about Vikrant Massey's retirement, his statement. Let's come on to that.
Let's come on to that then, Ravi Rai. Do you think it's right that actors are being trolled for the movie selection that they indulge in?
They will always be.
They always have been.
No, wasn't Shah Rukh Khan trolled? But did he quit the industry? No, he's been trolled a number of times. So
because he's been liked by people.
But he's been trolled.
You mean to say Vikrant Massey is not?
Does not get liked because on the one side he's saying he's saying कि government नहीं चाहती लोग पढ़ाई करें, on the other side he's doing Sabarmati report.
अरे वो तो
Just look at
ने बोला, उसने थोड़ी बोला है.
No. And
Manya ये बता, Manya he's made a valid point that there are people like Shah Rukh Khan also who were trolled. Not everyone quits the career. Answer that specific question.
I mean,
he was
look at
getting
Salman Khan. He's waiting.
Okay.
He's waiting through hot water.
I'll give you a response. लेकिन जो पठान की जो बॉक्स ऑफिस की रिपोर्ट थी,
मानसी
पठान की जो बॉक्स ऑफिस की पिक्चर थी, जितने भी नफरती चंटू थे उस पे चपेड़ मार दी थी. बाग पठान का जो बॉक्स ऑफिस रिपोर्ट है वो देख लीजिए, जवान का बॉक्स ऑफिस रिपोर्ट वो देख लीजिए. बट अगर आप साबरमती की रिपोर्ट देखेंगे, आप साबरमती को
भी देखो ना,
साबरमती was a huge flop because
but at the end of it,
people are aware.
At the end of it,
people are aware.
What we are discussing right now, unfortunately, is why anyone will be told that they cannot do a certain movie or not. Should that happen? That is the question. Should Vikrant Massey be forced to do a certain type of movie? Should Shah Rukh Khan also be forced to do a certain kind of movie? What about the creative license of the artist himself?
Meghna, the point is, मानसी says कि उसने उस पिक्चर में ऐसा बोल दिया और उसकी अरे पर उसने तो रियल लाइफ में पॉडकास्ट में बोला कि हिंदुस्तान को आजादी 2014 के बाद मिली है.
राइट.
वो तो पिक्चर का नहीं थी लाइन. तो डू यू बिलीव इंडिया को आजादी 2014 के बाद?
Well, unfortunately, this is one of the debates which we are unlikely to come to an agreement on. But at the end of it, when we talk about liberties and licenses, is Bollywood and are the stars of Bollywood sitting ducks to political agendas which are there? Well, thank you so much, both of you, for joining us here on the show, Manvi as well as Ravi Rai. Without a short break, don't go anywhere.